Welcome. This meditation is your invitation to reconnect with nature wherever you are. Whether you sit by the sea, walk through a forest, or simply gaze at the sky, nature surrounds you, supports you, and welcomes you. Close your eyes and take a slow, grounding breath. Feel the air enter your body fresh and alive. Exhale fully, releasing any sense of separation. Now listen. Notice the sounds of nature near or far. Birdsong, wind, waves, or even the subtle silence that cradles you. Each sound is part of the earth's song, and you are part of it too. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth. With every inhale, you draw up stability, nourishment, and strength. With every exhale, you offer back gratitude, care, and love. Now, let's affirm this connection together. I am deeply connected to the earth and its rhythms. I honor the beauty of nature in every place I travel. I breathe in harmony, peace, and balance. The earth sustains me, and I care for it in return. I carry this sense of connection wherever I go. Feel the strength of the earth beneath you, the air flowing around you, and the energy of life within you. Take one final deep breath of gratitude. Place a hand gently over your heart and whisper thank you to nature, to this moment, and to yourself. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of connection into the rest of your journey.